Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use video effect in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video or picture. Now press on effects. Here you can see the option of video effects. Press on this. From here you can choose your effect for your video. Then press on OK. That's it. So this is how to use video effect in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.